Ready to upgrade your home with smart, space-saving essentials? From cozy comfort to better organization, these products make daily life easier and more stylish. Whether you're battling humidity, optimizing laundry space, or creating a comfy lounge spot, each item brings practical value and modern convenience. All products links in the description section below. If damp air is quietly ruining your comfort, this compact dehumidifier feels like an instant upgrade. Picture it running softly in your bedroom overnight, keeping closets fresh, bathrooms dry, and even small RV spaces comfortable without background noise. With whisper quiet sleep mode, easy portability, and hands-free drainage, it fits naturally into daily life. Set it, forget it, and enjoy cleaner, drier air. The subtle ambient light adds a cozy touch, while energy-saving features keep usage stress-free. For homes battling humidity without bulky machines, this smart little helper at just $49.99 makes everyday humidity control effortless. If your workday needs more movement and less stiffness, this mobile standing desk fits right in. Picture rolling it from your home office to the living room, adjusting the height in seconds, and plugging in your laptop without hunting for outlets. It's designed for real-life standing, sitting, even light treadmill walking while keeping everything stable and within reach. The built-in charging station, spacious surface, and smooth wheels make switching setups effortless. Whether you're working, studying, or multitasking at home, this flexible workstation at just $89.99 for modern flexible workdays. Bringing more greenery indoors instantly changes the mood, and this multi-tier plant stand makes it effortless at home daily. Picture it tucked neatly into a corner of your living room or balcony, turning scattered pots into a calm, vertical garden. Each tier gives plants better light, keeps floors clear, and adds a clean, modern touch to your space. It's sturdy enough for heavier pots, simple to assemble, and versatile enough to display photos or decor too. If you want a stylish way to organize and show off your plants, this smart upgrade at just $31.99 for your indoor plant haven. After a long day, turning your bath into a mini spa feels like the ultimate reset, and this wooden bathtub tray makes it easy. Imagine sinking into warm water with your favorite book, a glass of wine, or a tablet streaming softly beside you, everything stable and within reach. The expandable bamboo design fits almost any tub, folds away neatly, and adds a calm, natural touch to your bathroom. It's perfect for quiet self-care nights or thoughtful gifting. For effortless relaxation without leaving home, this simple luxury at just $34.99 for spa-style bath moments. Small bathrooms can feel cluttered fast, but this slim storage cabinet is a smart fix that blends right in. Designed to slide neatly beside or over the toilet, it turns unused space into organized storage for paper rolls and daily essentials. Picture a cleaner, calmer bathroom where everything has its place without bulky furniture getting in the way. It's lightweight, waterproof, and easy to assemble, making it ideal for quick upgrades in tight spaces. If you want practical organization without sacrificing style, this compact solution at just $24.99 for smarter bathroom storage. Relaxing on the couch gets even better when everything you need stays within arm's reach. This sofa armrest tray clips on securely, turning your couch into a cozy command center for drinks, snacks, remotes, and your phone. Picture movie nights without spills, TV dinners without balancing acts, and scrolling comfortably thanks to the rotating phone holder. The natural acacia wood adds a warm, premium touch while saving space in smaller rooms. Simple to install and surprisingly sturdy, it's one of those upgrades you'll use daily at just $21.89 for effortless couch side comfort daily. Relaxing on the couch gets even better when everything you need stays within arm's reach. This sofa armrest tray clips on securely, turning your couch into a cozy command center for drinks, snacks, remotes, and your phone. Picture movie nights without spills, TV dinners without balancing acts, and scrolling comfortably thanks to the rotating phone holder. The natural acacia wood adds a warm, premium touch while saving space in smaller rooms. Simple to install and surprisingly sturdy, It's one of those upgrades you'll use daily at just $21.89 for effortless couch-side comfort daily. Laundry rooms instantly feel more functional when you finally have space to work, and this washer-dryer countertop delivers exactly that. Imagine folding clothes smoothly, sorting loads, or setting supplies down without juggling everything on top of machines. The sturdy bamboo surface adds a clean, modern look, while raised edges and non-slip pads keep items secure during busy wash days. It installs in minutes with no tools and supports everyday tasks effortlessly. For anyone wanting a neater, more enjoyable laundry routine, this simple upgrade at just $129.99 for a cleaner, organized laundry space. If you love cozying up in bed for reading, gaming, or binge watching, this reading pillow turns any spot into a comfy, supportive seat. The ergonomic wedge backrest keeps your posture aligned, while the adjustable headrest and removable armrests let you customize comfort for long sessions. The high-density foam stays firm where you need it and soft where you want it, so you won't feel stiff or sore afterward. Plus, the extra-large pockets keep your remote, phone, or book within reach without cluttering your space. For a more relaxed and supported lounging experience, this pillow at just $47.99 for cozy comfort every day. If your living room needs a space-saving upgrade that still feels cozy, this sleeper chair is a game changer. It's not just a chair, it transforms into a long, comfortable bed, perfect for guests or lazy afternoons when you want to stretch out. The extra-long 84 inches design means your feet don't have to curl up, and the upgraded foam keeps it comfy whether you're sitting, lounging, or sleeping. Built with a sturdy frame and extra storage pockets, it's practical for small spaces without sacrificing comfort. For a versatile piece that adapts to your lifestyle, this chair at just $161.49 for versatile comfort anytime. When kitchen counters start looking cluttered, this tall storage cabinet feels like a breath of fresh air. With clear flip doors and adjustable shelves, it keeps your pantry items, pots, and small appliances organized while still looking neat. The pegboard back makes it easy to hang utensils, hooks, and accessories, so everything stays within reach. Whether you're setting up a coffee station or organizing baking tools, the angled shelves help you see what you need instantly. Plus, the option to add wheels makes it super flexible for moving around. For a cleaner, more efficient kitchen, this cabinet at just $119.99 for organized kitchen storage. When your closet is overflowing, this rolling garment rack gives you instant extra storage that looks sleek and stays organized. With a built-in dimmable LED light, you can see your clothes clearly even in darker rooms, and the sturdy wheels make it easy to move around without noise. The adjustable shelves and side hooks let you customize the layout for jackets, shoes, and accessories, turning chaos into a tidy, functional wardrobe. It's perfect for small spaces, dorms, or anyone needing a flexible closet solution. For a stylish, practical upgrade that keeps everything in order, this rack at just $129.99 for better closet organization. A bedroom should feel like a calm, organized retreat, and this full bed frame brings that vibe while adding serious functionality. With a built-in charging station and storage headboard, you can keep your phone, books, and essentials right where you need them. The 4 spacious drawers provide hidden storage for clothes or bedding, helping keep the room tidy without extra furniture. The RGB LED lighting adds a modern touch and lets you set the mood for relaxing or winding down. Plus, the sturdy metal frame stays quiet and supportive for better sleep. For a stylish, clutter-free upgrade, this bed at just $169.99 for a complete bedroom upgrade. If you love cozy nights in, this adjustable TV tray makes everything easier whether you're eating, working, or just lounging. It fits perfectly beside your sofa or bed and adjusts in height and tilt so you can find a comfortable position without straining your neck. The sturdy design keeps your laptop, snacks, or dinner steady, and it folds flat for quick storage when you're done. It's the kind of practical upgrade that instantly makes home life more convenient, especially in small spaces or busy routines. For everyday comfort and versatility, This tray at just $37.99 for effortless couch or bed dining. If you're living in a dorm, studio, or just need a flexible seating option, this convertible sleeper chair is a smart space saver. It easily switches between a comfy chair, lounge seat, or a small sofa bed, perfect for relaxing, working, or hosting overnight guests. The adjustable backrest and included pillow let you find the best angle for reading or watching movies, while the built-in USB port keeps your devices charged without hunting for outlets. Plus, the foldable side table adds convenience for snacks or work. For a practical and stylish upgrade, this chair at just $206.98 for versatile comfort and functionality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comment section below.